So guys, today we are gonna be doing glitch effect tutorial, and for that you will be needing some pencils and some markers. So let's get straight into the video and stay tuned with us for further details. So guys, for the glitch effect tutorial, first you need to draw this with pencil and you need to do the outline of the image with black marker, just like I have done. So guys, when you do it with black marker, it should look like this. And after that, take pink marker and then do it just like I have done. And now take orange marker and do the same. From the color orange, do just as I have done, like this. Now draw some lines just like I have done, from the pink color only. After all that, now take orange color and draw the same lines with orange color too, just like me, like this, these lines. Now with a whitener, do just like me. As you can see, just like this you have to draw. As you can see guys, our glitch effect drawing is ready. If you like our videos, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like our videos too. Happy creating.